Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic we can all relate to, how to soothe that pesky cough naturally. If you're feeling under the weather or just want to learn some helpful tips, stick around as I share 5 foods that can help relieve your cough. 1. Honey. Let's jump into the first one, honey. Known as nature's sweetest remedy, honey coats your throat and reduces irritation. It's also antibacterial. Just mix a teaspoon in warm water or tea, and you've got an instant throat soother. 2. Ginger. Next up, ginger. This spicy root has anti-inflammatory properties that help relax the airways and reduce coughing. You can steep fresh ginger slices in hot water to make a soothing tea. Add a bit of honey for a double boost. 3. Banana. Now, let's talk about bananas. They're gentle on the throat and packed with nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which can support your immune system. Plus, they're super easy to digest, making them perfect if you're feeling run down. 4. Turmeric. Fourth on the list is turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse for fighting inflammation and boosting immunity. Mix turmeric powder into warm milk, commonly called golden milk, and enjoy its soothing effects on your throat. 5. Chicken soup. Last but not least, the classic chicken soup. It's not just comforting, it's scientifically proven to help reduce mucus and ease congestion, which can make coughing less intense. Plus, the warm broth feels amazing on a sore throat. So there you have it, 5 foods that can help ease your cough naturally. Whether it's honey, ginger, bananas, turmeric, or chicken soup, these remedies can make you feel a whole lot better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wellness tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.